Hi everyone, today we are on math day 2 for week 8. Day 2 we are going to do a discussion video. So what you guys have to do is for day 2 we're going to watch this video. It's only 30 seconds long. So in order for you guys to complete this the day 2 video discussion, you have to watch this video. Now, with this discussion, you're going to click on this link and it's going to bring you here. You guys have done this before. You guys are going to write 2 things you noticed and 2 things you wonder. And then what would a mathematician wonder about after seeing the video? So what are 2 things that you noticed in the video? And what are 2 things that made you think, that made you question things? So that's all you need to do. And then what would a mathematician wonder about after seeing the video? When you're done with that, it's only just 3 questions. Make sure you guys complete that. You guys are going to click on this one, week 8 assignment number 2, and it'll take you to this page. Now, it's going to go over 3 parts. The first part is what I just went over. You have to watch the video. Step 2 is what I just went over again. There's 3 questions that you need to answer. What do you notice? What do you wonder? What would a mathematician wonder after watching the video? And then step 3 is you will answer the following questions according to this information that they gave you. So you guys are going to have to use this picture here to help you with the responses here. How many knots will fit on the rope? And it's just a prediction. So you guys have to just predict how many. So if you see here, the length of the rope with no knots is 44 inches. The length of the rope with 1 knot is 40 inches. So there was room for 1 knot. The goal is to get the total of how many knots. So boys and girls, right off the bat, what is 44 minus 40? Or better yet, if I'm at 40, how many more do I need to get to 44? I need 4 more. So we know that 1 knot equals to 4 inches. So if I were to do a pattern with this assignment, I would do this to help you guys. I would grab a piece of paper because I think it's important that you guys can write this out on a piece of paper. So I have one here for you. Whoops, sorry. And I'm going to write this. So I know that 1 knot equals 40 inches and 0 knots equal 44 inches. So I went down 4 inches. So if I have 2 knots and I go down another 4 inches, 40 minus 4 is 38 inches. And so on. So you want to go down by 4s, guys. And it's going to be 3 knots. 38 minus 4, 34 inches. Until you guys get this number to 0, this is going to tell you how many knots you can have on the rope. So right now, I can do 3 knots and I still have 34 inches left. The goal is to get to 0 inches to find out how many knots you can make on this rope. Okay? And that is your answer for this part. I think blank knots will fit on the rope because blank, blank, blank. You can describe why, because of the pattern. Okay? So remember, this is knots. I'll write it on here. Knots. This is the measurement. Whoops, the measurement. And then this is the pattern, which is important to remember. And that is it. We already know that it goes down by 4. And our goal is to get to 0, and then we need to figure out how many knots can we do on the row to get us to 0. Okay, so just keep subtracting by 4 until you get to 0. And that'll be your answer that you can fill out right here. Alrighty, guys, have a good day.